Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing. So today we are going to see parallel stages in pipeline. So let's get started with today's video. So I'll be using this second job only which I'm using before. So here git branch checkout is happening, and after that you can see two stages is there. So parallel stage means that two or more stages can be like done parallelly, or like any step if you want to run parallel you can run that. So git commit I'm just going to remove, and in get and in second stage git test I'm going to change to parallel stage. Change git test to create files. So parallel keyword is used to create parallel stages. So inside parallel, whichever stage you will write, these will run parallel. So inside parallel, create one stage. So here inside this, let's echo first, create first file, and write sh also to create that script. So write, let's say, echo first file and greater than inside first file dot txt. So this will create file. Now another stage, let's say generating second file, then write second, change to second all where, then third and third file. So now let's go and give one build. So console output, so stage it's giving error. So inside stage steps I have missed. So let's create steps inside every stage. So add in first and a line, then add in second also line, third one also same, add steps. Now save the configuration, and now let's give one again. So now let's give build again. So it's still failing. What is string literal? It's giving some error. Okay, so issue is stage is not having its title. So with stage you need to pass that. So right, create first, create second, and create third I have passed. So now let's give one again build. So this build console you can see, so here it shows checkout is done, and after that you can see create first, generating second also is there, generating third file is also there. So all three are generated. So now let me show you pipeline overview. So here you can see git checkout in this is a single stage, and create files are parallel. So all three are in one line you can see. So here console also you can see individual stage. So because as these are also sub stage, so individual console you can see, but main you can see it's all run in parallel. So let me show you workspace also. So I'm in second job, so if I'll do ls, so here you can see first file, second file, so these are created, and third file is also there. So if I'll write git status, so here you can see these three files are newly added. So that's how you can use parallel stages. It depends on your requirement. I've shown you very basic example of that you can use parallel stages, but according to your project, according to your requirement, check how you can use these parallel stages. So let's say if you want to send multiple notifications, you can use, it depends on particularly your requirements. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.